Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to 30 Mansfield Street here in Wandal. This elevated position has a charming gable home set on 728 square metres. Let's go and take a quick tour. I really love how this part of Wandal has really transformed over the last couple of years, and this backyard is a blank canvas for you to do whatever you like. The corner allotment gives you heaps of room to add a pool or a shed. What a great opportunity. 30 Mansfield Street is just a short walk from the Rockhampton Base Hospital and around the corner from St Joseph's Wandal. With 12-foot ceilings and great appeal, I'm sure you're going to love it. If we can help you with this property, give us a call. We would love to help you out.